Good day, everybody. We're traveling today through Highway 3, and we get off on Highway 3152 and continue on this way. And you're going to cross a bridge right here in this area. So I'm going to expand on this so you can see it a little better from this point. Where you cross the bridge, you're going to continue on down this path. Then there's a lot of turns, and it's not hard to find. Just follow the signs, and right here it tells you to turn left, and you're going to follow this road to where it comes down, and this is called the Chaloem Burapha Chonlathit Road. So you can see where it makes the left turn here, and this is where I'm going to start showing some of the drive from this point coming down to where you come onto the viewpoint. And right here are some very pretty beaches, really nice. And the viewpoint is right here. It's called Noen Nang Phaya Viewpoint. And we pulled in right here because there were a bunch of tour buses that were parked here blocking the road. But this is such a pretty location, I really wanted to fly the drone here and share it with you that way. But obviously, because of the rain, we weren't able to film anything outside. It was pouring. We're just going to show you the drive going into this location.
Twice, same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll feel alright.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is pain. Love me.
เนินนางพญา Viewpoint
We drove 3 hours to get here today because it's a beautiful location to fly the drone. And we have nothing but rain. So this is going to have to be a trip for another day.
จุดชมวิวเนินนางพญานะคะ ตอนนี้กำลังฝนตกค่ะ It's raining at เนินนางพญา Viewpoint Chanthaburi. This is the side. Heavy rain. Okay, no drone today. Oh, we will come back. No problem.
That was 17. That's good enough.
เนินนางพญา Viewpoint. Good job, honey. Very good. We got it, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a picture of this.
Oh,
Well, do it with mine. Do it with mine. So I've got it on my
Video?
phone. No. Well, yeah, go ahead.
yeah, okay. And you talk, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, this is what it looks like on the road coming down. It's like a finger that goes out into the ocean for quite a ways. And we got here and it's just raining like mad.
See, we cannot go up.
And all the tour buses were parked right here in the road, blocking traffic to get people up when it started raining.
Wow. Sorry, we cannot go up here.
Alright, you cut it. You cut it. I'm getting it.
ได้ค่ะจันทบุรี
So the walking trail all around the edge here
Yeah.
is not going to be able to get used by us because it's raining too hard.
Very nice. Beautiful view while raining.
While raining and blowing wind.
Very good. Okay. Enough. I'm happy.
You know, we'll get for motorcycle riders.
We can drive slow down, beautiful scenery.
Yeah, poor people are riding motorcycles and get caught in this. This was getting us wet fast.
Ocean boat side.
Yeah. If you like this content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it will help our channel. Too much for watching. This is Bobby. Enjoy the time to get going.